So I'm here at Target, and I am in where the family planning section. So I want to show you something here. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share, just to encourage me. This is new and it's a little uncomfortable, so I am trying. So let me just show you what I have here. See this? Here is you want to get pregnant. It tells you get pregnant faster. It tells you when is your ovulation time, the peak of everything. So I'm just going to show you this. See that? Get pregnant faster. I'm going to show you what else they have here. So those of you who are looking for a little extra help, they have, I've never seen this. I guess because I'm not looking to get pregnant. This one here is pre-seed fertility lubricant for use by couples when trying to conceive. I've never seen this here. So this is another one. I have pre-seed, and then this is another one if you're looking to get pregnant. It's a preconception supplement set. Female supplement, zinc and selenium to maintain egg function. Male supplement, B12 plus zinc to maintain sperm health. So this is something they have here at Target. I'm not promoting anything, I'm just reserving what they have. So this here is the family planning section. Okay. So I'm not going to show you the rest of the stuff they have. They have a lot of stuff, but I'm not going to show it on camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, this here. Dependent. Dependent all day comfort, maximum save you, legal act. This is here. They have the new look. Look at this here, like real brief. So this is going on to this sporting event and you're all day and you're in crowd and they don't have toilet nearby. This is good. Okay, so I'm actually looking for baby stuff. So I'm going to go back looking because this is new. So, okay, at IMAR, it said hold it like this. So let me see, and then you point to whatever you want to talk about. So this is what I'm talking about. This is dependent for the men. And it's like a disposable brief. It's good. Okay. And this is the family planning section. So I'm here looking. And then they have the whey protein powder here. So they have this here. Just to be looking for the little muscle. Actually, protein is good for your immune system. So I'm going to go back at the back. Save my battery.